loves, what's up? I hope you guys really doing well. This video is all about how you can do your makeup when you are wearing your mask, and also you can do this makeup in Puja. This makeup is really easy and really quick to do, so you can do in Puja if you want to do a really simple makeup but you still want to look good. So if you are interested, let's get to the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell so you can get notified every time I post. And I'm also going to post a gorgeous makeup for Puja, so don't forget to subscribe. For primer, I am using 7 Imagic primer. When you're trying your makeup to not transfer in your mask, foundation, primer is must. Primer going to fix your foundation to your face, so it's not get transferred to your mask. After applying primer, you must need to wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes for your primer to be set in your face. Today I'm going to use matte foundation because dewy foundation not last as much as matte foundations. So if you are using dewy foundation, try to use a matte foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to use today Elegant Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm using a brush to apply it. Today I'm going to keep most of the coverage on my forehead and under my eye, but I'm not going to add too much coverage on my where I need to wear mask, because if I add too much foundation on that place, the foundation going to transfer super fast than normal in the mask. So I'm trying at this coverage on my mask area. Today I'm not going to add concealer beside my lips. I'm going to add my eyelids, under eye and forehead. And whatever I'm going to lift, I'm going to add in my nose and also my beside my lips. Also my beside my lips. Now I'm going to give a little bit time to set my concealer and my foundation. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. I have done my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to set my face with loose powder. And for that, I'm using 7 loose powder. Now I'm going to set full of my face by spraying. I'm using 7 the Fixer makeup spray. By spraying, what's going to happen? Foundation, powder, concealer, everything going to lock in my face, and it's going to stay longer. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to use Revelation Extra Spice. Today I'm going to really do a simple eye makeup with a little bit of pop of color, which is going to be perfect for the Durga Puja and also for any simple parties. I'm taking this color as my transition shade. Now I'm taking this color and darkening my crease. Now I'm taking these 2 colors and putting in my eyelids. Now I'm taking the previous color and blending that so you can have a cut crease finish but it's still not cut. I'm taking this 2 color again and putting in my brow bones and also my under eye. Now I'm taking this color and putting it in my inner corner. Now I'm going to do the blue eyeliner. For that, I'm using non-banded glitter eyeliner. You can use a blue eyeliner or blue mascara or even blue eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this blue color from Technique palette and darkening my eyeliner. Now I'm taking this color again and putting it in my under eye. Now I'm taking Nude eyeliner and putting it in my under eye. For my mascara, I'm using Technique mascara. For my contour, I'm not going to do any sharp contour. I'm going to do a light bronzing. It's time for blush, and for blush, I'm using Jordana blush. Today, I'm going to add my blush a little bit higher than normal because for mask, it's not going to show. Today I'm not highlighting my lips or my chin because it's not going to show obviously. So I'm going to highlight really focused on my cheek. It's time for lips, and for lips I'm going to use matte lipstick because I don't want to transfer my lipstick on my mask. On top I'm using Beauty Glazed candy. I'm not liking the color, so I'm going to add in. Let's give a little bit time to dry the lipstick, and after that I'm going to remove the extra. Now I'm going to add a little bit powder on top of the lipstick. This step going to help you to keep your lipstick on your lips, not your mask. Now I'm going to spray my face second time to seal my makeup on place. So here's the end of the makeup. I didn't apply lashes because I wanted to keep it simple and also keep my lips nude. You can always change your lips color. You can always change your lips color, or you can add a bindi for your traditional look. I didn't apply them because I'm not going anywhere right now. So now I'm going to do a little bit pose and coming back soon. So here's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then please do give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to hit the ring bell so you can get notified every time I post. Also comment below what you want to see next time and give me suggestions what I can do for my videos to look more better. And till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Ta-da! See you soon.